Adam, you are my favorite person. You're my first call when I have news, my most frequent thought, and my favorite face to see at the end of the day. You're the only person I could spend this much time with and still miss you when we're actually apart. You are the center of my world. You are the most caring, selfless, and tender-hearted person I've ever known. I have never loved anyone as much as I love you, yet I know I will somehow love you more tomorrow and every day after that. I vow to support, encourage, and cheer you on through every adventure and ambition. I vow to let myself dream big with you and to work on being more gentle when I have to bring you back down to reality with me. I vow to spend every day working to make you feel loved, to give you unlimited hugs, to do more dishes, and to buy you as many meals of crab legs as we can afford. I vow to hike, fish, and go on at least one houseboat vacation with you. I vow to try to talk less, specifically late at night and early in the morning when I know you're at your most tired. I vow to make sure we always have ice cream in the house and to try to stop asking if we can have more cats and to work on saying I was wrong more. I vow to be your partner for life, to let go of the control and make decisions together, to have a family with you no matter what that may end up looking like, to center our marriage around God, to laugh with you and cry with you, to joke with you and fight with you, to choose you in good times and bad, and to love you fiercely every day for the rest of my life. I'm forever yours.
The first day we met at the movie theater, I didn't want to be there. I was doing Dan a favor so you and Kaley would stop bothering him. I didn't plan on getting to know you that day, but God had different plans for me. My whole life changed after Beauty and the Beast. When we first met, your intelligence grabbed my attention. Your beauty caught my eye, and your tender heart made me never want to leave your side. You keep me grounded in so many ways. You are the reason I push myself to be a better man. As your husband, I vow to always be your person. The person that's always there to love and support you. The person that makes you smile when you're down. The person that never gives up or leaves your side, even when we hate each other. Rain or shine, sickness or in health, I will be forever by your side, fighting for you and cheering you on to strive for your dreams. I am forever grateful to have you in my life. I still can't believe today is finally here and I'm the lucky one who gets to spend the rest of my life with you. You know me better than anyone else, yet you still love me and are standing by my side. Whenever you look down and see your ring, let it be a reminder that I will always love you. And know that no matter where life brings us on this journey, we will have each other. And as long as I have you in my life, I am complete.
So this is the first toast, and I'm here because I asked for it. Lift up your glass. To Adam and Kaley. Congratulations on the newest, the longest, and the greatest chapter. Love you always. Here, here.
If there's actually an instruction booklet, there is no final page. So don't ever put away the toolbox. If you never put away the toolbox, I'm sure the love you feel today will last forever.
In fact, a lot of the contrasts that we see in life are the things that create appreciation. We can't really appreciate the light without the dark. We also can't really appreciate love without experiencing some loneliness.
And then very quickly after that first date, we got to watch her fall head over heels. We're all so proud of you, and I know you hate making decisions, but tonight you made just the best one that you've ever made in your life.